and cinnamon have healing benefits, if used separately. The mixture of honey and cinnamon as natural cure is sometimes declared as elixir of health and immortality. It was declared as spiritual food of philosophers and saints for ages, bliss of the spirit and gift from the heavens. Sometimes it was believed that honey and cinnamon, used in a mixture, are able to return eyesight to the blind person. Now I will tell you benefits of honey and cinnamon mixture. Number 1. Honey and cinnamon for strengthening the immunity. Honey and cinnamon are used as mixture, and by regular usage, they can improve overall immune system and organism, and protect successfully from viruses and bacteria. Number 2. For digestion. The usage of honey strengthens white blood cells for successful fight against every type of illness. Cinnamon in combination with honey speeds digestion. It is necessary to take 2 spoons of mixture of honey and cinnamon as natural cure before eating, to allow digestion even the hardest food. Number 3. For long life. The Huns are people which are best known for healthiness of honey and cinnamon. They enjoyed tea of cinnamon and honey every day, lived for many years and stayed fresh and vital. Scientists say that this combination slows aging, extends human life and makes skin fresh, soft and vital. Number 4. Against bad cholesterol. Mix 3 small spoons of cinnamon and 2 big spoons of honey with 4 deciliters of tea. The best is to use green tea. Drink 3 times per day. When there is fist intake, bad cholesterol will decrease for 10% for 2 hours, and after longer usage, it is possible to achieve full recovery. Number 5. For weight loss. Maybe sounds a little strange, but honey and cinnamon can be used as a tool for weight loss. Mix 1 small spoon of cinnamon and 1 small spoon of honey and cook in a glass of water. Drink it 2 times per day, in the morning and in the evening. This prevents the deposition of fat on the body. So guys, what was for today? Don't forget to subscribe and like that video. I will come back with another natural cure tip. Till that time, goodbye.